Hello friends, my name is Shaurya Patel. I have made a gorilla at Robofun Lab Ahmedabad. The components of this gorilla are smart hub, motor, plates, beams, axles, connectors, wheels, gears and many more. I have programmed this gorilla in such a way that when I press the start button, it would make a sound and go ahead for the speed of 8. Then it would stop for 1 second and move behind at the speed of 8 for 1 second and then stop. Before showing you the demo, let me share a few things about gorilla. Gorilla's average lifespan is from 35 to 40 years. They are normally found in African countries. They are on a vegetarian diet and they are two species of gorillas, eastern gorillas and western gorillas. Now let me show you the demo.